Hey guys, it's me again, Castro. I'm here to give you tips and tricks to jumpstart your life. Since marami sa atin ay under na ng GCQ and MGCQ and mostly sa atin ay nakapagtrabaho na ulit. And for the preparation of this new normal, here are the things that you should consider doing. But before anything else, I would like you to hit that subscribe button para lagi kayong updated kapag may ilalabas akong bagong video. To start, the number one thing that you should do is pay your debt and bills. Sa tagal ng lockdown, mostly sa atin ay hindi nakapagbayad ng ating mga bayarin like SSS, PhilHealth, pag-ibig contributions, pati yung credit card natin, water and electricity. Kahit papano nagbigay naman sila ng allowance o extension o deadline para makapagbayad. Huwag mo na hayaan na ma-overdue ito. It will just increase your burden. Pati yung utang mo sa kakilala mo, kahit wala siyang binigay na due date sa'yo, kailangan pa rin bayaran yan. Pinaghirapan niya yung perang hiniram mo sa kanya. You don't have to pay in full immediately. Increment lang every month until ma-fully paid mo. The number 2 is build or set up an emergency fund. The number 2 is build or set up an emergency fund. Pagdating ng sweldo mo, save a portion of it and set aside para sa iyong emergency fund. This fund should cover 3 to 6 months worth of necessary and essential expenses. In case may mangyaring di mo inaasahan, unfortunate events like job loss, calamity, home repairs, etc. Prepared ka at may pagkukunan ka kaagad. Instead of getting a loan or borrowing money from a friend and other institutions, this fund will really help you in times of uncertainty. Make this a priority on your to-do list. Number 3, get an insurance and investment.
One eternity later.
Number 3, get an insurance and investments. Is it a smart and wise investment to make? The answer is yes. Because of these reasons, it protects your income from unexpected expenses. It gives you peace of mind. It helps you, your savings, and your future, and many more. Maraming benefits ang pagkukuha ng insurance. While you're still young and able, invest on it. Is it possible to invest in both in one product? Yung may insurance ka na, tsaka may investment ka pa. The answer is yes. It's called VUL or Variable Unit Life. There are many life insurance na nag-o-offer ng ganyang product. Sila siguro lahat nag-o-offer ng VULs. Here are some of the insurance companies. Number 4, work on your goals. Start hustling. Exert an effort in doing the things that you are passionate about. Start working on achieving your goals, your ambitions, or your dreams. Turn those things into a reality. Kung may plano ka na, simulan mo na. Kung wala pa, edi gumawa ka ng plano. Kahit na tinatamad ka ngayon, walang gana o pagod, huwag mong hintayin na dumating ang bukas. Sabi nga nila, sabi ng kanta, may bukas pa. But that tomorrow might never come. So huwag mong sayangin ang oras na binigay sa'yo. Now is an opportunity to start and the best time to act. And last but not the least, number 5, give importance to your health. If your local government unit or LGU permits, go for a walk. Get some fresh air, look at the beauty of nature, and find time to relax. If not, do some meditation, yoga or stretching, and exercise at your home. Just move your body and break a sweat. At syempre, kumain ka ng tama at wasto. At wag na wag kalimutan uminom ng maraming tubig. Don't take your health and wellness for granted. Yan ang pinakapuhunan mo. At investment mo yan sa sarili mo. Yun, natapos na rin. Just a friendly reminder. If you will go outside, please do always bring with you your alcohol and sanitizer. Keep wearing your mask and observe social distancing. As much as possible, go home early after your work. Avoid public and crowded places. Prevention is better than cure, so stay home and stay safe. So those were the 5 things that you should consider doing during this new normal. Sa 5 bagay na naibahagi ko, alin dun ang uunahin mong gawin? Please comment down below and share your insights and thoughts. And I do hope again that you learned something out of this video. If nagustuhan mo, please do share this video to your friends and don't forget to like. At wag mo na rin kalimutan mag-subscribe. Subscribe. Maraming salamat sa panonood. Till next time.